Hello everyone, my name's Joss from Landstack, and today we're going to be talking about the most recent AI chatbot update that we've released. Specifically, it allows you to go from just a system that would do questions and answers to now a system that will do work for you. One of the big changes we've made with this update is also pulling in all the planning application documents for planning applications. And so this means that the system can now look through planning application documents and isolate and pull out specific important information. We're seeing users already using this to look up SIL information, aggregate SIL costs, for example, to achieve a per unit figure. We're looking at users who are also using it to identify B&G units on specific planning applications. We're seeing people also use it to write constraints reports or to build comparables reports, new builds reports, and so on and so forth. The best way to think about it is that any information that's already available on Landstack will be available to be used by the agentic system. Not only that, we've also exposed the system to other data sets like BCIS build cost data. And lastly, we've also exposed it to the internet. So that means that you've got the sort of depth of the lands and accuracy of the Landstack data alongside the sort of broad knowledge of the internet. And bringing those two things together can often be a really powerful experience. One of the big improvements that we've made on the previous chatbot, and this is based on a lot of user feedback, is improving on our citation system. We got a lot of feedback that people liked the citation system and that it gave you some detailed ideas about where the chatbot was pulling this information from, but we've gone one step further, especially with planning application documents. So now whenever the chatbot looks for information within documents, it will show you exactly where that information has come from to the specific document, and then within the document itself, which specific extract it's got that information from. This means that you can now trust that the system isn't hallucinating, and it can also mean that you can trust the sort of source of these facts as well. If you want to try out the new chatbot, feel free to reach out to us at support@landstack.co.uk, or if you just want to sign up for a trial yourself, sign up at landstack.co.uk.